Chloe Bibby is an Australian professional basketball player for Indiana Fever of the Women's National Basketball Association. She played college basketball for the Mississippi State Bulldogs and the Maryland Terrapins. Bibby made her WNBL debut with the Dandenong Rangers during the 2013-14 season. She played her fourth and final season with the Rangers in 2016-17. On 2 August 2022, Bibby signed with the Perth Lynx for the 2022-23 WNBL season. On July 25, 2025, the Indiana Fever signed Bibby to a 7-day contract. On August 1, 2025, Bibby was signed for the remainder of the 2025 WNBA season with Indiana Fever. On 5 February 2025, Bibby signed a training camp contract with the Golden State Valkyries. On 14 May, she was waived by the Valkyries. On 15 June, Bibby re-signed with Golden State. On June 30, she was waived by the team. In 2017, Bibby moved to the United States to play college basketball for the Mississippi State Bulldogs. In 2020, she transferred to Maryland where she played 2 seasons. In April 2022, Bibby spent training camp and pre-season with the Minnesota Lynx of the WNBA. For the 2023-24 season, Bibby joined AJP Gorjo Wikelposki of the Polish Basket Liga Kobiet. In her only season at the club, she became the league's most valuable player, averaging 20.9 points and 5.9 rebounds domestically and 22 points, 7.7 rebounds and 2.2 steals in Eurocup Women. In June 2024, Bibby signed with Uni Girona CV for the 2024-25 season. Bibby made her international debut representing Australia at the 2014 FIBA Under-17 World Championship in the Czech Republic. Australia finished in 5th place with the James Bibby won gold at the 2016 FIBA Oceania Under-18 Championship, qualifying for the 2017 World Championship in Italy. In May 2025, Bibby was named in the Opals squad for the 2025 FIBA Women's Asia Cup in China. In 2015 and 2016, Bibby played for the Dandenong Rangers in the C-Ball. She helped the Rangers win C-Ball championship both years. In 2017, she joined the Bendigo Braves and helped them reach the C-Ball Grand Final. In 2022, Bibby played for the Cliseth Cobras of the NBL 1 South. 5-6, she joined the Frankston Blues for the 2023 NBL 1 South season and earned NBL 1 South All-Star 5 honors. With the Ballarat Miners in 2024, she was again named NBL 1 South All-Star 5.